Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to link Webull to Tradingview. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up Tradingview, and then you can open up any, indices or stocks for trading, basically the charting. I want you to open the chart, and then I want you to click on see full chart. And what we will do right here, I want you to scroll down until you see the trading panel. Click on this, okay? Click on the trading panel, and here, as you can see, you'll see all of the different brokers, including Webull. If you don't see it, click on all brokers, and then scroll down until you see Webull. And then I want you to click on it. Now here, click on connect, okay? And this will open up a new tab. Then you just enter your login details, your phone login, your password. You can use email login. And then once you have logged in, okay, your brokerage account, which is Webull, will actually be connected to TradingView. And it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.